Welcome back, everybody, once and again to Funky D Star TV News Time. Now, all of us know, say, actually, the establishment of a new security outfit in Onitsha, say now, real, and even we know, say, the establishment of that same new security outfit act though na to foment trouble, to cause trouble within the Biafran territory. And people will be the leaders from the eastern region. A lot of them, they serve the Fulani Janjaweed people. So in this article, now waiting the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, when be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now his response to the Obi when spearheaded the formation, according to the news, of this security outfit in Onitsha. Now the matter when we will talk, because Nnamdi Kanu now don't come out, can't respond to the Obi of Onitsha. And they respond, wow, now serious matter, ladies and gentlemen. I don't tell them, I say, when all these troubles, when our leaders, they invite into that nation, or into different region in that country, when the trouble go blow up, nobody go fit quench the trouble. And the people, when they invite this trouble, starting from the people when they Aso Rock, because now them bring out the issue of this Fulani herdsmen and Fulani terrorists, this Miyati Allah connection, and the ISWAP, the ISIS, the Boko Haram thing. Now still these people when they Abuja with their cronies in the north, when all of them they in the hands of the affairs. Now them be the people when from all these groups, when we see they don't right now get out of hand as we speak. Because the FG themselves, when we say now they started this thing, to end the thing now becomes problem. We don't tell them before. Boko Haram, now for decades now, they don't fight Boko Haram. Nothing. Many years ago, now Boko Haram come out. They never fit even quench Boko Haram. Every time they tell us, see, they don't defeat them. They don't defeat them. But today, they continue telling us, see, Boko Haram, they operate. And we, they still the same. See, Boko Haram, even right now, they enter army barracks, then go hoist their flag after defeating the soldiers when they inside the barrack. Kill all of them, burn down the barrack, then put down their own flag in that same barrack. That is a sign of defeat. So, herdsmen then talk, say, no, you know if you touch herdsmen, if you touch herdsmen, you touch the FG. Now, the kidnappers. Even the man they call Gumi, when we let una know, say the Gumi himself, now the baba of the whole kidnappers, all the whole 800 millions and the whole ransoms, where they pay to all these kidnappers, Gumi, they get his own fair share. This same Gumi don't come tell the whole Nigerian people, say, federal government know all these criminals, they know all the whole Boko Harams, they know all the whole kidnappers, they know all these entities when they cause crimes everywhere in Nigeria. They know even them by their names. Then they tell us say Boko Haram then they inside forest. They know where them they. They not fit go kill them. I don't tell them I say all those Boko Harams forget. These people when they sponsor the same Boko Haram, they don't buy mansions everywhere for all these Boko Harams where they do all these crimes. And when they commit all this crime for the federal governments. Not be inside forest then they. Because we see how the forest, where they claim in a forest look like. Even though say that they tell us say the forest big past Nigeria. They're not fit still go there. Even though they tell us say the forest too big, they're not fit still enter there. But if they quick them to they enter some states, they kidnap our ladies, they kidnap youths, they go kill them in the north. But the forest where they claim say Boko Haram they, anytime when they tell us say they enter there, they must grant the soldier people. Only soldiers that they kill. Soldiers not they kill them. So the Gumi tell the whole Nigerian people say the government know where all these people there. That is mind blowing. The soldiers know where the people there. That is mind blowing. Even review say in DSS, in the army, everywhere, these people, what they call Boko Haram and Herdsmen people, they infiltrate everywhere. The whole security operative in Nigeria. Then they inside the army, then they inside the DSS, then they inside the police. So, but at the end of the day, the same owner, FG, will come and tell us and say, oh, then they fight Boko Haram, then they fight Herdsmen, then they fight this, then they fight that. You know, so the reason why they bring out all this topic together today, now because of this OB, where they claim say now him form this new security outfit. Now they come now they let us know now say Mayati Allah they underground when they sponsor the OB of Onitsha in order to fight ESN security outfit. Here now the canon now they won in say it will end in tears for OB of Onitsha if he causes trouble for ESN operatives. Nandekano wants. Now serious matter. So when this thing go blow up in Nigeria, nobody go fit stop am. Now when it come be say the issue of this insecurity, they everywhere. People from Yoruba land, then they fight their own. The people when they the northern part of the country, then they fight their own. Now the people when they in the eastern part of the country, then still they fight their own matter. So that is to show you say even FG they into trouble because as we know today, the federal government where they operate in Nigeria, now shadow federal government. Nobody there as the president of the country. That him be the problem. Recently, they tried to come out because from Kidi don't ask say where on Aisha Buhari. Anytime when we ask of somebody, some of them must do one thing or the other. Say, oh, that person don't come. All right. Okay, now we asked about Aisha Buhari more than 10 times in different videos. When we don't ask them, say Aisha Buhari waiting in the do in Dubai when they claim say a husband they alive and a husband I be Nigerian president. Before you know what they happen, they can't take time with like 1 week. Then now, before you know what happen, don't come tell us Aisha Buhari is back from Dubai. Till today, anybody when see Aisha Buhari anywhere, make it come tell us. Aisha Buhari not come back from Nigeria. That woman don't tell Nigerian people say all of una na buffons. Me, I dey run leave Nigeria, go Dubai, go to enjoy my money when I don't thief from Nigerian people. Because I don't tell una say Buhari not dey. Say some people hijack the government of my husband. Nobody stand up. That is why Aisha Buhari, nothing when you tell Nigerian people before you go. Nobody stand up. So why the same woman when don't tell you say insecurity Now the problem when they make am dey run, why she will come back again to a place where she knows say security not there. A place when we say the cabals they fight her left and the right. So Aisha Buhari still dey where she dey. Aisha Buhari not come back from any Dubai. The pictures where they show now, even yesterday, I go take a look on the same picture. Now the same picture when they doctor, same picture when we say they don't show since 1 million years they come. Now still dey there. Aisha Buhari not come back to Nigeria. The FG now wayo people where them be. They never ever tell us the truth one day. So you go wait for your Aisha Buhari when they claim say na first lady. Aisha Buhari is no first lady. Her husband don't die. She knows she's not in Nigeria and she can never come back again to that country when be the zoo nation. Because you don't tell her say the cabas don't take over on a country. All of una quiet. Why if you say she go come back again when you don't tell her say insecurity matter now make her run. So make una stop to deceive on herself. All of una when they are Nigeria, when they right, waiting on the right. After they don't just give una money to go buy one drink, maybe a bottle of beer. Una go just come out, they yap nonsense in social media. Aisha Buhari she come out, come speak now. If una dey claim say she don't come back, the woman see dey where she did. I just dey bring out all this points so that una go know say una country when be one Nigeria, when all of una dey clamor for don't finish. And again to let una know say problems dey all part of that country. Every part of that Nigeria problem dey. So if anything start, for example, somewhere in one region, how other regions then go quench the problem? When we say other regions then get their own problem. Because when it start in the north, it start in the east and as well in the west. So Nigerian people una dey into trouble. Look now, this OB now, then they sponsor the OB. Who they sponsor the OB? The same Miyetti Allah people. The leader of Miyetti Allah people. I hope say some of una don't see the kind convoy when the man they carry. Even the convoy when the man they carry. President Muhammadu Buhari when he died alive, he never carried that kind of convoy. And Baba God punished that President Muhammadu Buhari because of the evil agenda when the man get for Nigerian people. Because that same agenda when the owner Muhammadu Buhari get, na him the late Abba Kyari still get, and na him the cabas when they alive now, few of them now when they don't tell them now. Somebody like Gabashew don't tell them see now the cabas footstep. I mean that the Lord of the whole cabas when the late Abba Kyari now a footstep then will follow. Meaning see the Islamization not they come out for the table. The ruralization not they come out for the table. The ethnic cleansing not they come out for the table. So they must to complete their agenda. That is why you see Miyetti Allah they do everything in their power to make sure see they still conquer and not forget see they don't tell you see they must to take over you no matter what. Now our people when we see now them won't come save some region, somebody like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho and some few of them in that nation, the evil ones, the bad eggs when they in that country and in their region, not let them perfect their mission because of their greed. So ladies and gentlemen, we want to take a look because this OB, if waiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu they nyan here, say now they Miyetti Allah people, now then they sponsor this OB. Then the OB of Onitsha, they among those people when we talk about when be the enemies of the masses. Then plenty east to then they, the northern part then they, the western part to then they, everywhere then they. I mean people when be the Sabo people. So make we read a little bit more. See how Nnamdi Kanu take one this OB. And again, in this article, the writer when write this thing, now one of them, when they talk about saying when they don't give them some little money to just buy some bottle of beer, then will come they yap nonsense in social media. It will end in tears for OB of Onitsha if he causes trouble for ESN operative Nnamdi Kanu once. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, floated Eastern Security Network, ESN, a security organization formed by the prescribed IPOB, has threatened to deal with a paramount ruler in Anambra State, Igwe Achebe, the current OB of Onitsha. Remember what I don't tell you before. This writer na northern person. This writer, the person when write this thing, but everything when the man write from A to Z, we must to read that, because I know say in this platform we not dey paint any single word as it take come, as they take narrate the matter. Now so funky D they bring in the matter, whether it sweet you for ear or it not sweet you for ear, whether na sugar for your ear or na bitter leaf for your ear, will not send you any message. As people take nyan, waiting the nyan in each and every topic when they present, now so they take read them for owner. So if you hear anything when any writer write, it not emanate from Funky D's platform. Now only messenger now be, and I must to tell the truth to my viewers. That is why anything when they write, we must to read them one after the other, bit by bit as they take write them. Then come analyze our own. It will be recalled that recently the Igwe was reported to be, it will be recalled that recently the Igwe was reported to have reinforced the security architecture in his territory by introducing a legitimate vigilance group known as Onitsha Ado in order to fight the ongoing insecurity in the country. The OB of Onitsha is doing his best to protect his subject. Mark you once again, this person when write this thing, I don't tell you say now northern person. Okay? So I don't ask people a lot of questions. If the OB now they take or they float out security network, that is the job of a governor or a local government chairman, as the case may be, or a senator. These people when they into power. Okay? So how a traditional ruler go take bring out a standard of this kind of security outfit when we say governor dey there? Abi Onitsha people, there are nobody they govern Onitsha as a governor or as a state. Governor not dey there. That is why I don't tell you before, say all the whole governors when they claim so vote for them, they are all do nothing people. They are very, very irresponsible people. The only thing where they know how to loot your treasury, to take people's wife, now the thing where they do. However, due to the quest on the side of Nnamdi Kanu to take over the leadership in the whole of Eastern Nigeria through IPOB and ESN, he is now sending warning to the Igwe Achebe from the far away foreign country where he ran to after he faced off with the federal government years ago in Nigeria. In the threatening tweet made by the leader of the prescribed IPOB, the king was warned to allow ESN operate freely in Onitsha and its environ, or be ready to face trouble in no distant time. Nnamdi Kanu, who accused the Igwe of convening with some Fulani men to form the security organization, says if the Igwe give Eastern Security Network operative any form of trouble in the east, in the area, it will all end in tears on his part. Check out the threatening tweet from the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra against the respected Obi of Onitsha, one of the biggest Igwe in Igbo land. Igwe Achebe, this is Nnamdi Kanu's tweet, ladies and gentlemen, according to the news. Igwe Achebe, the Obi of Onitsha, must not allow his office to be used by Fulanis to foment trouble for ESN around Onitsha and environs. Otherwise, it will end in tears for him and his local Meati Allah founded vigilante named Onitsha Ado. Then the writer concluded, if you ask me, I will say that if Nnamdi Kanu and his group are not called to order by the relevant authorities, there may be more trouble for Nigerians in the East Nigeria in the nearest future. The rate of which security personnel are being attacked in the region now has never been seen in the region before. It is a sign of trouble lying ahead. That was exactly how Boko Haram started in the northeastern Nigeria some years ago. Some people may argue in favor of Nnamdi Kanu and his group today, but when it gets out of hand, even Kanu himself will not be able to control the situation from overseas where he is. One thing I know about Nnamdi Kanu is the man, when the man reveal, that one na final. Nobody dey dispute anything when Nnamdi Kanu reveal. And when he say na Meati Allah people and the Obi connive together to form this their Ado Onitsha or Onitsha Ado security outfit, that one na final, because the level of information when Nnamdi Kanu don't drop to Nigerian people never have seen anywhere in the whole world. Nnamdi Kanu is an information master. Once he drop any information, that one at the final, and it is real and it's 100% facts. As he don't tell them now, say now Meati Allah people hand they inside this matter. Now so it be. Now so it be, ladies and gentlemen. So I will leave this segment, make one when be my viewers be the judge of the whole matter. Drop your comment on Funky D's comment section. Anyhow, when the comment be, come drop them, because now anyhow when the message come to us, now so we take drop them here as well, without fear or favor from nobody. All right, one love everybody, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Bye.